Hey guys, what's going on? Got another video today. Some more carbon fiber. I got a trunk trim piece and steering wheel trim pieces. And I wanted to show you more on these headlights. Different show modes there are. All controlled by an app on my phone. Here's all my different show modes. And you just press on it and it will change. That one looks better when it's really dark out. This one's just solids. Changes throughout solid. That one's going to be hard to see. It's dazzle. It has a little bit of sparkle in there. I guess you could call it. Lightning, whatever you want to call it. You can kind of see it with the darker colors. But yeah, so there's my new lip. It looks so good on there. The front end really has come together. I'm really happy with it. Now let's get these other parts installed. Alright guys, so we're going to be using this Adams waterless wash. The car's already pre-washed, but I'm just going to use this to wash up the surface we're going to be putting the 3M tape on. Okay, now you get some rubbing alcohol. Now we got the piece, the trim piece. Take off the no. Yeah, it's better if you just line the one end up and then start from that way and work your way down, instead of trying to place it the full thing on there like I was trying to do. Definitely changes up the back end. Alright, so we'll get rubbing alcohol, guys, here to clean up this surface. We're going to be putting covers on the steering wheel here. This is the hardest part, is taking all this crap off. There we go. We got it. Now, get it under the airbag and set. Get it under the airbag and push it on. What do you guys think? Should I put this piece, bottom piece on? Or leave it the way I got? I kind of like it the way I got it with the STI logo there. But we could put this on there. I don't know. Let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.